Morning folks, Peter here. I've got to put my glasses on this time because of my age. But what a wonderful response I've just had about my railway happy days. I could talk about the subject forever. The Flying Scotsman was at Leicester Central from 1950 to 1953. I actually cleaned it, fired it on express trains and actually drove it illegally. One time, when I was cleaning it with a gang of youths, it was our job to clean the Flying Scotsman. And I was given the job to get in the tender and clean all the leaves and rubbish out. Normal. Total darkness, I had a Bunsen burner. And would you believe these horrible lads locked me in it? So my claim to fame is, I've been locked in the Flying Scotsman's tender for 4 hours. And it gave me claustrophobia all those years ago, which I've still got today. But, nevertheless, I could go on about it forever, but what about this? I'm at Abbey Park track here in Leicester every Sunday in the summer. If anybody fancies being a driver on my 5-inch Central B1 pulling 500 children around the track, just let me know. I say, railways, steam trains and motorbikes are the love of my life, and I can talk about them, as you know, I do talk a lot, but I can talk about them forever. But the railway days were so good and so important to me to this day. Anyway, bless you all, goodbye. I forgot to mention something for my friend in Edinburgh. On this particular night as a fireman, I was the fireman on a fish train to Swindon, about 100 miles from Leicester and back. Backlight engine actually. Anyway, on this night, about 4 or 5 o'clock in the morning, we got to Swindon. I went to brew the tea as per normal and have breakfast on a shovel as per normal. And would you believe it, there in front of me was Evening Star, finished and ready for trial running. Evening Star with the paint, I could smell it today. And my friend in Edinburgh has made these in 7 1/4 gauge size. I can't believe it. I can't believe he's made them. But that's another story. Thank you.